Good day, sir. I'm Giselle Pitangkilan. Karon ako ang i-explain og unsa pag calculate ang variation. Correction of the current variation. To find the variation any given year, we need the variation from the compass rose and the year for which it was corrected. Then add or subtract the annual change. Kung different name, minus. Kung ang same name, i-add. Ang different mo ang west ug east mo na i-minus. Then ang same name, east ug s mo i-add. So 4 degree 5 minutes west 2009. Then 8 minutes is, so ang present year na to is 2024. Then ang current year mo ang 2009. I-minus na to ni kay different name man, west ug east man. So 2024 minus 2009 equals 15 years. So every year na siya 8 minutes is, yan mo na i-multiply na po ni mo na og 15. So 8 times 15 equals 120 minutes. Then convert to degrees. So kung sa pag-convert na to, i-divide na to nig 60. So 120 divide 60 equals 2 degree east. So ang 2 degree east minus sa po na nimo sa 4 degree 5 minutes west. So ang ato ang variation is 2 degree 5 minutes west.